Good morning, y'all. Even on my days off, I cannot sleep in. It is 6 a.m. I've been up since like 4, trying to go back to sleep. It's just not working, so I'm just deciding to get up. But it feels so good in here right now. So good in here. I have my Mr. Buddy going. I have my heated throw. I don't know if y'all can see, but this is what I slept in. It is so warm, and it has a hood. So I was sleeping good. So I'm pretty warm. I'm layered up under here, so feels pretty good. So with this Mr. Buddy, it depends on if I have it on low or high, how much or how long the propane will last. But if I have it on low, I think it'll last maybe 6 hours, maybe 6.5. If it's on high, definitely like 4.5, 5 hours. But I've had the vent open just a little bit, so everything's been flowing pretty good. I'm gonna get back in bed. I'm gonna try. Because I really want to rest. Like, I need at least one day where I sleep to at least like 7. That's sleeping in for me. No. This was the mat I was talking about. Without this, I would not be able to run this as long as I did. This thing is hot and amazing. Y'all, do y'all hear that? I just heard thunder and it's rain. It's starting to rain. Hold on. See, from this angle, it doesn't really look like it. But hold on. See, I hear it. I just don't see it too much, but I think it is starting to rain. So I think my prayers may have just been answered because I sleep so good when it rains. I love listening to the raindrops hit the roof, the metal. It is so amazing. So I just need like a big downpour, big rainfall right now. Because right now all I can hear is the traffic from the highway. Yo, what's good to watch on Netflix? I just woke up again for the second time. I needed that extra little nap. I did. And now it's raining. Oh. I turned off my Mr. Buddy, so I need to get up and turn it back on. I really don't feel like it though. Well, there goes camping because the place I wanted to go camping at is not too far from here. So if it's raining here, I'm pretty sure it's raining there. But I guess I'm gonna get up and make some breakfast. Or see if I have anything in here for breakfast. If not, then I have to run into the store. Which I really don't want to do because then I have to get dressed. And this is so warm. I was just about to start cooking and I am out of eggs. I I did not want to get out the van this morning. Let's go run in Walmart real quick, I guess. Don't judge me, but I'm throwing on the pants I had on yesterday to run inside the store. I normally take them off when I get in the van, so they're good, but my zipper was messed up all yesterday, but I finally fixed it. So now I can zip this up. Yay. Okay. I'm leaving this on. I'm leaving the scarf on. I'll take this off. I'll take the bonnet off, though. All right. Oh. breakfast is done. Thank goodness, because I am so hungry. Whew. All right, let's see how it is. Oh my goodness. I made this perfectly. Like, I love my bacon crispy. Not burnt, just crispy. Like, I don't know if y'all can even see this. Like, look at my bacon. I make bacon perfectly. You know what I'm saying? Like, I don't know if y'all can see that. Like, oh. I think I'm becoming a foodie. It's just something about me and food. Like, I just... it's so good. Oh my gosh. Yes, I have my ice. And it's not contaminated. So, I don't know if y'all do infused water, but if not, oh, you should start. So, this water is, I think it's like my all-time favorite. Normally, I just like cucumber lemon. That's my base. It's so good. But when I'm trying to be a little fancy and I have everything, I like strawberries. What else is in here? Blueberries. What else? I'm acting like I didn't make it. Okay, so it has strawberries, blueberries, mint, cucumber, and lemon. Yes, that's it. So, it's so good. It gives me so much energy. Yes. Don't know if you can see everything that's in there. Thank you guys so much for chilling with me this morning. It stopped raining, so I'm probably not going to go back to sleep. I am just going to relax for maybe like 30 minutes. Then I'll get up and start my day. But after eating, I'm just tired, you know? Get the itis, so I'm going to relax for a little bit. But thank you guys so much for chilling with me, and I will see y'all in the next video. Bye, y'all.